For this delicate sweater, I needed to purchase a latch hook or a latch needle. This latch needle is 0.8 of a millimeter. It's perfect for doing this type of close re-knitting. It's very close, delicate work. And after it's been re-knitted, I stitch up the loose parts so it can't run anymore. Make sure it's all secure. So here is the actual hole beforehand, and here it is after. Here's the second hole that needed mending, the before image, and the after. The pink thread is just there to indicate where the mends are. Here's the third hole that needed mending, and that's the before, and here it is after. And then the last place it needed mending was really just kind of thinning of the fabric, so I fortified it with some stitching. And here it is after. And here's the whole sweater done.